This is going to be your favorite AI tool. Check this out. It's called Fusion Brain, and it's like Midjurney, but it's completely free, and you can make anything inside this tool. And it's all in the browser, so you don't need to download anything. For example, you can create this or this. Also, there is no censorship like the other tools have. It's simple and fast. You just need to write your prompt here and click generate, and that's it. In just a few seconds, Fusion Brain will make a picture for you. So, let me just show you what this AI tool can create. And we got this puffy cat with blue eyes and looks great. Let's try something else. Let's create a picture of very tasty food. The result is excellent. I'm already hungry. This looks delicious. Also, within this AI we have to choose styles such as anime, detailed photo, cyberpunk, Kandinsky, Ivasovsky, Renaissance, digital painting, 3D render, Christmas, portrait photo. So we have a large selection of these styles that we can choose from. Personally, I like to work without styles, but if you want, you can create images with them. Let's create some fairy vibe in the forest and tree-like house and magical creatures and colors. The result is so good, I like it. Let's try something artistically, neoclassical in pastel colors. Wow, it's so good and clean. I love it. Let's now try some of these offered styles, such as 3D rendering. I will write in the prompt 2D game art. Let's determine the style, character, and settings, art, theme, and color. And it looks so cool, it reminds me of our game. And that's it. I hope you like this. We created some amazing photos with this AI. It has some flaws, like it's struggling with creating a portrait photos, but it's a really good and fast AI tool. What do you think? Write down in the comments and see you next time.